Welcome here in Educator Academy. So in this tutorial we will learn how to draw circle using turtle library in Python. So let me first of all we have to import turtle library. Now let me initialize turtle. For that let me take first of all turtle object. So let me take here. So T is my turtle object and then turtle dot turtle. So it will initialize turtle object. So now as you know that circle has some radius, so let me define radius is my 50 and then let me use t dot circle and then paste here the radius that I have declared before. Now our program is ready to draw a circle, so let me run program and then start debugging and let me choose here python file. Now you can see circle is drawing here. Now you can see circle is drawing, so this is our output. And another method is very simple, so you should have to remove radius and then declare directly here the radius of circle here inside the circle and then let now debug. Now you can see again the same circle is drawing having radius 50. So there is two method, you can directly enter the radius and let me check. Now again the radius is increasing toward 100. Now the circle is bigger than the previous one. Now you can see having radius 100. So this is actually the circle drawing. Now I want to make spiral circle. For that let me first of all we have to declare radius. So I am declaring here the radius is 50 and for making spiral circle I'm using here for loop. So for I in a range and it is iterating how many time, let me declare here it iterate 100 time. So this is actually the my for loop. So let me, this is my turtle object t dot, I use here circle. So I wanna draw circle and then for making spiral I wanna use here iteration. So radius, this is the radius that I have declared already, which is 50 and then radius plus I. So it will increase within each iterations, so it will move 45. So let me start debugging and then now you can see this is making the spiral. So this is moved to 50 times, so that's why I use here r plus I comma 45, so it will move 45 times. So this is how I make spiral circle using turtle library in Python. That's very easy to draw a spiral circle as well as simple circle. Now I want to make concentric circle. So for that let me again use here t dot circle and then inside this I use here radius multiply by I and then again I use here t dot up. So up is a command that is used to stop writing in Python and then again I use t dot set y. So it is actually the turtle second coordinate to y, it is used to that. So let me radius multiply by I and multiply by -1. So this is how I use t dot set y and then t dot down. T dot down is a command in Python that is used to start drawing when the turtle is moving. So let me iterate 50 times. Now let me start debugging. Now you can see, so now you can see concentric circle is drawing having radius 50. So this is how I make concentric circle and R circle in Python.